Time calculation. To know the timing of different countries, one has to calculate. The whole calculation process is known as time calculation. एक देश में कितने बजे होंगे उसको पता करने की विधि को हम टाइम कैलकुलेशन कहते हैं. What do you mean if minus sign is given in front of any country's GMT time? Whenever any country's GMT is having minus sign, it means that country's time is behind GMT. जब भी किसी देश के GMT के साथ माइनस साइन हो तो उसका मतलब है वो देश GMT से पीछे है. What do you mean if plus sign is given in front of any country's GMT time? Whenever any country's GMT timing is having plus sign, it means that country's time is ahead of GMT. जब भी किसी देश के GMT के साथ प्लस साइन हो तो उसका मतलब है वो देश GMT से आगे है. By which formula one can find out time difference? If two countries GMT time is given in plus, then one has to minus it. जब दो देशों के GMT टाइम प्लस में दे रखे हैं तो माइनस कीजिए. For example, like this, if both the cities are given plus sign, then always minus it. If two countries GMT time is given in the minus, then minus it. जब दो देशों के GMT टाइम माइनस में दे रखे तब भी माइनस कीजिए. Like this, when one city is having the minus sign, second city is also having the minus sign, then minus it. If one country's GMT timing is given in plus and the other country's GMT timing is given in the minus, then always plus it. जब एक देश के GMT समय प्लस में दे रखा है और दूसरे देश का GMT समय माइनस में दे रखा है तो प्लस कीजिए. प्लस माइनस प्लस. If one country's GMT timing is given in the minus and other country's GMT timing is given in plus, then one has to plus it. जब एक देश का GMT समय माइनस में दे रखा है और दूसरे देश का